New at 5, Indiana reports 24 new flu deaths this week. That doubles the state's total to 48 this season, a number that includes the first child death of the year.
Now COVID-19 cases are overwhelming hospitals again after being hit hard by the flu and RSV. Ivan Rodriguez reports on the steps the federal government is taking to fight back.
Across the U.S., COVID cases, hospitalizations, and deaths are on the rise.
Here's what we know. We've seen in each of the last 2 winters, COVID cases rise up.
About 14% of the U.S. population is in an area that meets the CDC's criteria for a high COVID-19 community level. In just the first week of December, the agency reported nearly 3,000 COVID-related deaths, the most the U.S. has seen in months. White House COVID-19 response coordinator Dr. Ashish Jha says Americans have the chance to decide what happens next.
If people go out and get their flu vaccine, if people go out and get their updated COVID vaccines, things will be much better.
But latest polling from the Kaiser Family Foundation found 38% of U.S. adults received or plan to receive their updated booster as soon as possible, while a large number of people say they will wait and see or only get it if required. Dr. Elon Shapiro says one way to help boost vaccination rates is open communication with patients.
We have seen that misinformation and disinformation has disengaged a lot of the conversations regarding health and prevention, and sadly we are seeing the outcomes of that.
Latest CDC data shows more than 23,000 people were hospitalized for the flu this week, a slight drop from the week before, but a rate that is still higher for this point in the season than it has been in more than a decade. I'm Ivan Rodriguez reporting.